Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Friday, December 20th. Data out on Thursday showed that existing home sales fell by 4.3%, while new filings for unemployment benefits rose by 10,000 last week. The data worried some as the U.S. Federal Reserve recently decided to taper its bond buying plan on the grounds of a strengthening U.S. economy. However, most economists insist that the data is just a blip on the radar and that the housing market and labor markets are both fundamentally strong. Target announced that data from nearly 40 million debit and credit cards was stolen during the first 3 months of the holiday shopping season. The security breach comes at a crucial time for the retailer, with some of the busiest holiday shopping days still to come. On Thursday, the Obama administration warned that the U.S. could reach its debt ceiling as early as February. U.S. Treasury Secretary Jack Lew encouraged lawmakers to focus their attention on raising the nation's borrowing limit, as most economists expect financial panic to ensue if the borrowing limit is not raised. The Bank of Japan voted to maintain its current monetary policy at its Friday meeting and said that the benefits of its massive stimulus package have been trickling through to all sectors of the economy. The bank has been increasing cash and deposits at an annual rate of 60 to 70 trillion yen. President Obama threatened to veto a new bipartisan Senate bill which would enact new sanctions on Iran if the nation violates its temporary deal to curb its nuclear program. The president has said that if the bill is passed, it would undermine his diplomatic efforts with Iran. Asian markets were mostly lower on Friday. The Shanghai Composite was down by 1.54%, and the Shenzhen Composite lost 1.67%. The Hang Seng Index was down by 0.55%, and Indonesia's JSX Composite lost 1.11%. European markets were up across the board on Friday. The UK's FTSE was up by 1.43%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 gained 1.88%. The Spanish IBEX gained 2.34%, and France's CAC 40 was up 1.64%. In commodity markets, energy futures were lower. Brent futures lost 0.35%, and WTI futures were down by 0.26%. Gold gained 0.06%, and silver was up by 0.15%. Industrial metals were down across the board, with aluminum posting the largest losses, down 1.39%. In currency markets, the euro lost ground against the dollar and fell to $1.36. The pound also lost to the dollar, down 0.07%. The dollar gained 0.17% against the yen, but lost 0.10% against the Australian dollar. Notable economic releases on Friday will include US GDP, Canadian retail sales, Italian retail sales, and Eurozone consumer confidence. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck on your Friday trades and have a great weekend.